What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So today we have a request from Scott. What's up, Scott? Now, Scott wanted you to hear this song. He felt like you would enjoy this song. And this is Grandpa's Cough Medicine, the Murder Chord.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So, I've never heard of this band before. Grandpa's Cough Medicine. It sounds very unusual, or maybe I have it backwards. I don't know. But let's go ahead and jump into it and see what it's about.
Yeah. Just go ahead and check. Okay.
Listening to records, a pretty good collection did he have. But then one fateful day, he bought some heavy metal and set out on a self-destructive path. His mother said it was the devil's music. His father said that it was only noise. But he didn't listen, and they just ignored it, saying he's a lonely teenage boy. First was Ozzy, then it turned to Slayer.
Hell no.
Red Pantera and Cannibal Corpse. But when he bought a record with 3 6s on the cover, he turned into a man with no remorse. Soon the songs, they began to change him. Relentless drums with blazing double bass. And the twin attack of a rabid thrash guitar with solos that would cause a melted face. Satanic lyrics began to hypnotize him. Demonic voices screaming had him floored. Then he lost control and murdered his whole family. And it happened when he heard this chord.
The Murder Chord.
Oh my God.
That is hilarious. That is crazy. That is so crazy.
Demonic voices screaming had him floored. Then he lost control and murdered his whole family. And it happened when he heard this chord.
Oh man.
Change him. Relentless drums with blazing double bass. And the twin attack of a rabid thrash guitar with solos that would cause a melted face. Satanic lyrics began to hypnotize him. Demonic voices screaming had him floored. Then he lost control and murdered his whole family. And it happened when he heard this chord.
Oh, he left the dog alive.
Oh, and he chopped off a hand.
Ooh. So what you think about
who requested this?
Scott.
Yeah, this is actually a pretty good song. The guys are obviously very talented.
Yeah.
Kind of shocking.
Definitely shocking.
And kind of surprising, but it's kind of like it was literally about what a lot of people would say heavy metal is about. You know, they would always say it's evil, demonic Satan music.
Or when somebody does something bad, they blame it on the music.
Yeah, heavy metal music. Right.
Yeah. So you like the bluegrass song?
Yeah.
Because you do Metal Meltdown. He has a whole live stream. Metal Meltdown till they shut us down on
Right,
Friday at midnight.
Right.
So if you're into
Metal music,
come
hang out with us.
Yeah, definitely. But the Murder Chord
Right.
I was jamming out until I actually started seeing the blood.
Right. Well, all right. First of all, the band's name, Grandpa's Cough Medicine, is a very unique name.
Definitely.
So kind of not sure what to
what's
expect,
going on?
especially with the band playing This Is Bluegrass,
Yeah.
right? And then the name of the song, which is the Murder Chord. So I'm sitting here confused the whole time. I'm like, all right, what is this band? What is this song about? And then when he's telling the story about the young man listening to heavy metal music, the parents not wanting him to do it, and then him changing, and then the murder chord, it's like, oh, the light bulb hits, and then he is murdering his family. So this is very, very interesting. Definitely would like to check out some more music from Grandpa's Cough Medicine to see what else they have in their catalog.
Yeah, great storytelling.
Yeah, good storytelling. So if y'all have any suggestions, let us know down below in the comment section.
Yes.
But of course, Scott, thank you so very much for this request and putting us onto this great band.
Yes.
As always, guys, like, share, and subscribe. We'll see y'all next time. Take care.
Ta-ta.
Peace.